Yes, God has become disappointed with us. But remember, we also make God happy because we are God's beloved. Tingnan niyo, ang Diyos hindi naghahanap ng iba para maging masaya. Kahit na nalulungkot ang Diyos sa ating pagkakasala, pinipili pa rin ng Diyos na maging masaya sa atin. So, stop looking at the top. Stop chasing happiness. But stay put and believe that God has given you everything to be happy. Have faith and open your eyes and your heart. It is already there. And thank the Lord for His blessings, His graces. They are enough. Believe that. Sapat ang grasya ng Diyos araw-araw sa iyong buhay, sa iyong sitwasyon, sa iyong kalagayan para maging masaya ka. Piliin mo lang maging masaya ka at mapupuno ng tuwa, ng galak, at ng liwanag ang